let's have a little bit of fun with my mate Socialsaurus. I'm going to throw it a couple of questions just so that you can watch how it reacts. I run a cake topper creating business. Need some ideas for meals that aren't just showing off the product. Can you help? Enter. All right. There we go. I love this. Cake toppers are super visual already, so we can definitely make reels that show your personality and process without just here's another topper. Ta-da! He's actually given you a whole bunch of ideas, and here's the thing I like the most about Socialsaurus. He's asked a question. Do you want these reels to lean more toward educating, showing personality, or building funny or relatable content? I'm going to just copy and paste that into there and see what he gives me. Funny and relatable is gold because people share it even if they're not actively buying. So it's also educating you a tiny little bit there on why that kind of content might be good and where it fits into your strategy. And it's doing it conversationally so that it makes sense. So it's kind of like a little AI version of me, dare I say it. Perfect Pinterest cake with a flawless topper. And then you at 11 p.m. covered in glitter saying this is the real behind the scenes. Cake topper size is explained. Use random household objects for comedy. I actually kind of like this. I wouldn't have come up with this. Banana for scale. We all know the Dull Men's Club thing on Facebook, if you don't look it up, where they have it's just a thing using bananas for scale. 8-inch cake, your head. Wedding cake, basically the size of my hopes and dreams. I actually kind of like that. I think that's kind of fun. When my client says just something simple, and then cut to you cutting, painting, and glittering for 3 hours. Overly dramatic news anchor. Now, this is if you are good at skits. This is why he gives you multiple ideas, because some people are good at skits, some people are not. Cakes without toppers are being described as underdressed. Unpopular opinion, cake without a topper, bread with frosting. Mic drop. I like it. And show a time a topper broke with a glitter explosion or a miscut, and then overlay text like client. It's just a small order. Yeah, Tell me you're a cake topper maker without telling me. Craft table with scissors, glue, glitter, sequins, 7 cups of tea. Actually, yeah, that would be me. So, a lot of that is actually quite relatable. And I've never trained this chatty on this industry before. So it's come up with those just based on me telling it to think outside the square a little, to think about relatability, to think about maybe even a little bit of sass. And yeah, look, now it's even offering to script them for you. So that's Socialsaurus. That's one example of how he works.